I love reading. I love reading actual books, not internet, not on the internet, actual books. Having an actual book in my hand is so wonderful. I have a library, an extensive library. Over the years, I've accumulated a lot of books, and I love them so much. Because when you read a book, you absorb it. I find like a sponge. I absorb what is written, what God has taught me through so much reading. It's truly tremendous. The scriptures and all the books, all the unsearchable riches I have, the volumes, just so much. And it's a treasure. It's a treasure to hold within. And that's where it is, the treasure within, what you absorb, what you are given by God. Now, Rooted and Grounded in Love, Studies in Ephesians by A. Enoch. And there's a beautiful bio of A. Enoch on the back. So, I still order from Study Shelf. Right now, it's great to order from there because in Canada, I don't know, they use a secondary shipping place, I think, because they come a lot faster. And it's a little bit cheaper now, I find, when you order books. But as you can see, the writing is beauty. It's big, it's easy to read, and I think it's taken from mostly the Unsearchable Riches. All of this was separated articles from the Unsearchable Riches, I believe. But just wonderful. I will be sharing some, and I'm going to go through it myself, but beautiful. Rooted and Grounded in Love. Grace and peace.